premise of NewShield was built on the idea of how to stop the cat and mouse game that is played by security companies and cyber criminals. The founders of NewShield are all passionate about security and have had many years of experience in the industry. And they decided the only way to stop this game was to protect the actual data itself. I'll show you how we do that. But first, let's look at some statistics on ransomware. These are daunting numbers that are growing each year. Ransomware is a huge problem that is not going away. This ransomware problem is really a symptom of the inability of today's current technologies to solve it. Currently, there are two common solutions: endpoint security and backup. And as you can see by these statistics, there are obvious gaps. The reason ransomware is so successful is it's able to keep customers' data hostage. Not only are customers potentially losing money by paying the ransom, but even greater losses occur due to the fact of tremendous amounts of downtime. Backup is critical for disaster recovery, but it was never meant to help companies get back on their feet fast after a ransomware attack. And endpoint security is a critical technology to keep companies safe from the bad guys, but obviously with losses like these, blocking and detection are not working 100% of the time. NewShield acts as an insurance policy. If threats get by endpoint security, NewShield will recover instantly. Take a look at our process. NewShield's approach adds an overlay to all your data. The overlay acts as a data mirror. This way the attacker thinks he is attacking your data, but in fact is only attacking the overlay. The innovation is achieved by our patented mirror shielding technology. If the overlay is corrupted, say by encryption from a ransomware, it can be tossed aside before it is saved to disk. When the overlay is deleted, your original data is revealed. This happens fast. It is much faster to delete the damage on this overlay than it is to download copies of all your data back to the machine via a backup system. The next step is to restore your operating system to remove the ransomware. Simply click a button on the console and NewShield's one-click restore feature will revert the OS to a known good state before the attack took place. Once this is complete, it will be as though the attack never occurred. No rebuilding servers or workstations, and you're back to work fast. This is how together we will make ransomware obsolete.